Let's do it, guys. This is 2018. This is going to be Topps Tribute Baseball. Pick your team break. 18 Trib BBPYT 104. Everybody's got their name, teams on the board. Good luck. Let's do it. All right. It's a shame old Dan doesn't have a ring on his finger, man. It's crazy. Marino should have a ring, straight up. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's see what we got here in Tribute. Oh, Jimmy Fox. All right, here's our first one. It is Alex Verdugo, rookie. 33 of 199. Right there. Dodgers, Arturo. ALO Arturo V. That's coming out to you. Oh, man. Oh, Chris went flying. Hate those. I don't know why they put these things in there, man. It's like a static magnet. Sorry, guys. I was talking to myself. First day. Sandman Rivera. Here we go. Nice Bregman dual relic. 85 of 150. Check that out. Houston Joes. There you go, Joe. Alex Bregman. And then we got a Johnny Bench. There we go. Adrian Beltre. Here we go. Nice one here. Luis Severino. 108 of 142. Nice auto. Nice card. To Yankees, that is AV Arturo. Nice hit. Arturo. AL2 Arturo V. Roger Clemens. There you go. Nelson Cruz. So our next one, Buster Posey, triple relic, 22 of 150. Let's see, Giants, Rod E. That's coming down to you. Nice one there for Rod, triple relic. Got a Syndergaard. There we go, Justin Verlander. Here we go. Carlos Martinez, 16 of 50. Nice stamp of approval relic. That's the Cardinals. That is Trey M coming out to you. Trey M. Nice one for Trey. And then we got a Abreu. All right, guys. Last one here. Sosa Jr. Oh, redemption. Okay. Might be something good, man. And then we got a Boggs or Yankees. Okay. 12.99 AV. That's coming out to you, AV. Let's see the redemption. And it is Tribute to the Moment, continued autograph, Jim Thome. Check that out. Now, I'm wondering if that's Indians or White Sox. Because he played for both for a good period of time. More known as an Indian, but he did play for the White Sox for a little bit. I'll have to look that up on the checklist. Hang on, guys. Tribute to the Moment. Or Phillies. Yeah, you're right. Or it could be Phillies. Good call, Will. I didn't forget about your man. Your boys, man. Well, give me a second, guys. Let me look that up. I didn't forget. Hey, that's one of my heroes, buddy. That's one of my heroes growing up. So, dude could a ball a mile, as you know. That dude could hit a damn baseball. All right, so let's see here. Tribute baseball. Oh, yeah, I'm checking now, bro. I'm checking. Make sure it's awarded properly. Yeah, and I mean, this could go a few different ways. I agree, man. Ah, there it is. Okay. All right, let's see here. Jim. All right, this is TTMJT. Okay. All right, guys. Let me show you real quick. TTMJT, tribute to the moment, continuity auto, whatever part of the country, how you pronounce that word. I've heard different pronunciations. Anyways, Jim Tomey, that'll be the Indians owner, which is Dennis A. That'll come out to you, Dennis A. All right, guys, good stuff. That's Tribute Baseball. Thanks for joining. That was Pick Your Team 104. Let's save it for YouTube.